Have you ever wanted to get a high quality keycap set with tons of compatibility, a decent price, and a unique colorway without having to wait years for group buys? Well, you've come to the right place because today we are going to be taking a look at the Novel Keys Purple Blue on White keycap set. These are in stock. You can get them right now on Novel Keys, assuming they're not sold out, which I don't think they are. They haven't been sold out in a while. And yeah, let's take a look at them. So this is the box that it comes with. I've already opened it up and put it on a keyboard that I have, but I still want to go through the unboxing with you guys so you can see exactly what you get. So this is what it is, a nice black box. Honestly, much better than you get from other keycap sets. Slide that off. Now it's just a plain black box. Get off these tabs, open it up, and you are greeted with foam. Under the foam, you get the keycaps themselves. So like I said, I already took out the keycaps for my keyboard, but yeah, you'd be greeted with all the keycaps here. It comes with 3 different little layers with different keycaps on them for all your different types of keyboards. Here you have an ISO enter, numpad, and stuff for TKL. And then you have right under here all of your compatibility for different layouts, different keyboards, all that. It's missing a few things, but it's not too bad. Let me take this out and we will take a look at the keycaps on the keyboard itself. I apologize if my camera is kind of bad because it kind of is. It's just a Logitech webcam. We'll be upgrading soon, so yeah, this will be temporary. These are Dye-Sub PVT keycaps, super sharp legends, dual color, looks super nice in my opinion. And they're also really thick. You can see about, I think, 1.4, 1.5 millimeters thick. Don't really have the tools to precisely measure that. But yeah, they're super straight. It came with 3 space bars. So the 6U and 6.25U came with no warping at all, which was really cool. So it works perfectly fine. The 7U though, haven't been able to test it out, but it's ever so slightly warped. So very minor. I think it'll probably still work perfectly fine. These are, like I said, in stock on Novel Keys for only $75, which I think is a really good deal, especially for these being super good quality and being in stock, having a really nice colorway. There's another version of this, it's called PVT Notion. It's basically the same thing. It's $10 more though, I guess because of it has a different colorway. And yeah, you can check that out. I'll have this all in the description. As for the texture, I think it's pretty nice. It's lightly textured, but it's not overly smooth or overly textured. I think it's a really nice in-between. Overall, these are really good for the price. In stock, you can get them whenever you want. If you don't like this colorway, there's also PVT Notion, which also looks really nice. I won't be picking it up just because I don't have a need for it, not too fond of the colorway. But yeah, camera really doesn't do it justice. Alright, I really hope you guys enjoyed this video or found it helpful. Maybe help you make a decision on if you want to buy these keycaps or not. If you did enjoy this video, then please leave a like or subscribe. I am just starting out my YouTube channel. That would help me quite a lot. Thank you so much for watching and have a good day.